What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how to be changing out your brake lights on a Chrysler Voyager. It's probably the same for about the 2020 to about the 2024. What you want to do when you come back here and pop the tailgate on your Voyager, you want to see, you'll see two screws right here. They'll take like a Phillips bit, pretty much. Not a Phillips, but like a star bit, rather. You want to go ahead and remove. It's kind of tight to get into some of these right here because you have your... Yeah, you'll have one at the top, one at the bottom. So actually, once you get those screws loose, what you can do is, then once you do that, you want to come and kind of just wiggle your actual brake light like that, and it'll come out. As you can see right there, they came out. I just left the screws inside of here and I took them out. All right, so once you get it out right here, what you want to do is come right here. You'll see this. You just want to turn it like that, and you'll be able to pull out your brake lights just like that. Now what you want to do is take some gloves. You don't want to use your bare hands. You want to use some gloves. You just want to pull it straight out like that. Then you want to put your other one back in. And this is how you'll be changing out your brake lights on a Chrysler Voyager from about the 2020 to the 2024. After you do that, you want to just take it. You'll see this little piece right here, there like that. And once you get it back, go ahead and put your two screws back in here, and you'll be pretty good. You'll be good to go. All right, folks, once again, that's how you'll be changing out your brake lights on a Chrysler Voyager from about the 2020 to about the 2024. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.